Ever had that sinking feeling when a battery dies at the most inconvenient time? Or the grim realization that replacing batteries can cost an arm and a leg? Well, the solution to these common dilemmas may be simpler than you think. Enter Easy Battery Reconditioning. This innovative course offers a practical, cost-effective, and surprisingly simple solution to breathe new life into those lifeless batteries. Easy Battery Reconditioning is a step-by-step guide that unveils the secrets of how to recondition old batteries using simple supplies found at home. Imagine being able to extend the life of the battery in your car, laptop, or even that power tool you can't live without. The beauty of this course is its simplicity. It doesn't demand any technical knowledge or special skills. All it takes is your willingness to learn and apply the knowledge. Another great feature is its accessibility. Easy Battery Reconditioning can be downloaded instantly after a one-time payment of $47. No waiting for delivery, no shipping fees, just immediate access to money-saving knowledge. The course has received glowing reviews from satisfied customers. They've successfully reconditioned various types of batteries, saving them a significant amount of money. But what if you're not a DIY enthusiast? No worries. The course is designed to be user-friendly and comprehensive, making it suitable for anyone. The creators of Easy Battery Reconditioning believe in their products so much that they offer lifetime support and updates. That's right, any new information or improvements to the course are yours to access at no additional cost. And to sweeten the deal even more, the program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can request a full refund. It's a win-win situation. So why continue to shell out hard-earned cash on costly battery replacements when you could recondition them yourself? It's time to take control of your power supply and stop letting dead batteries dictate your day. Easy Battery Reconditioning is more than just a course. It's an investment in knowledge that can save you money in the long run. So take action today. Purchase the course, start reconditioning your batteries, and experience the satisfaction that comes from extending the life of your batteries. Don't let another battery die without a fight. With Easy Battery Reconditioning, you have the power to make a change.